Say you have school from 10 a.m. 6:30, wake up. 7 o'clock in case you could not wake up earlier. 6:35 to 7 a.m. Try to do something productive, something that will give you peace. It can be skincare, making your bed, meditation, stretches, etc. 7:15 to 8:30 a.m. Preparing for the topics to be done in school today. Have some hot beverage to release stress. And concentrate on the textbook notes. Because our brain stays very focused in the morning hours. After a long healthy sleep. 8:20 to 8:45 a.m. A refreshing bath to keep you fresh all day. Here are the steps. 1. Face wash. 2. Bathe with body wash. 3. Use a body lotion of the same brand. 4. Perfume. 5. Sunscreen. 8:50 to 9:10 a.m. Have your breakfast and try to have something light to avoid bloating. Pro tip. Have a bit of protein every morning to be energized all day. 9:15 to 9:30 a.m. Prepare yourself for school. Wear your uniform. Do your hair. Wear lip balm. And a bit of blush to keep looking stunning. Pull up your socks, wear your shoes and run for the bus, ha ha.